In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to TurboTax. If you're trying to access your TurboTax account, this process is very straightforward and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and what to expect on the screen. To begin, go to the TurboTax website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In option. This is usually located near the top of the page and is the main button you'll use to access your existing account. Click Sign In to move to the login page. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. In the email field, type the email address associated with your TurboTax account. Make sure you enter it carefully, since even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. Then, move to the password field and enter your password. As you type your password, remember that passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters need to be entered exactly as they were originally set. If you're on a personal device, you may also want to double check that your browser hasn't inserted an old or incorrect saved password automatically. Taking a second to confirm these details can save time if the sign in doesn't work on the first try. Once both your email and password are entered correctly, continue through the sign in screen to access your account. From there, you should be taken into your TurboTax dashboard, where you can view your tax information, continue a return, or manage your account settings. If you run into trouble signing in, the most common issues are usually a mistyped email address or an incorrect password. It can also help to check whether caps lock is turned on before re-entering your password. And if you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your sign-in information for security reasons. That's all there is to it. Signing in to TurboTax is a quick process. Click Sign in, enter your email and password, and continue into your account. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be logged in and ready to go in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you sign in to TurboTax easily and confidently.